Welcome to the C2 Pipeline Innovation and Curiosity Center Owl Pellet Dissection Lab. After completing this lab, you should be able to do the following: understand food chains and food webs, learn about barn owls and their pellets. You will also safely dissect a barn owl pellet. During this lab, you should wear gloves, safety glasses, and a lab coat if available. You should have your sleeves rolled up and your hair pulled back. Never smell or taste anything in the lab, and be careful with the tools. They are very sharp. Food chains. The energy flow from one trophic level to another is known as a food chain. A food chain is simple and direct. It involves one organism at each trophic level. Primary consumers eat autotrophs, or producers. Secondary consumers eat the primary consumers. Tertiary consumers eat the secondary consumers. And decomposers, such as bacteria and fungi, that break down dead organisms and recycle the material back into the environment. In a food web, notice that the direction of the arrow points in the direction of the energy transfer, not at what ate what. Most organisms eat more than just one organism. When more organisms are involved, it is known as a food web. Food webs are more complex and involve lots of organisms. Let's learn a little bit about the barn owl. What does a barn owl look like? It has a white heart-shaped face, a whitish belly with dark spots. The upper body is golden with dark flecks, and it has dark brown eyes. Its body length is 15 to 21 inches, and it has long legs. The wingspan is 43 to 47 inches, nearly 4 feet across. The habitat and senses of the barn owl. The barn owl is found on every continent except Antarctica. They can be found on farmland, marshes, grasslands, and even suburbs. Owls are nocturnal, meaning they hunt at night, and they have many adaptations that enable them to hunt at night. Owls, along with hawks, eagles, osprey, and other birds of prey, are known as raptors. Raptors have sharp beaks and talons that are adapted for seizing prey. A 2-pound owl has eyes the same size as the human eye. Both the eyes and ears are located at the front of the head. The feathers around their eyes and ears are funneled to send light and sound to them with more precision. The ears are at different heights, which enables them to locate their prey with extreme accuracy. Their sense of hearing is so exceptional that they can hear the footsteps of a mouse 30 yards away while flying 10 feet over the field. Owls swallow their prey whole or in large pieces and have a special digestive system in which pellets are formed and regurgitated or puked up to dispose of the indigestible parts of their prey. Owl pellets are not poop. A crop is a loose pouch inside most birds. It stores food and allows birds to pulverize hair, bones, and teeth. Owls do not have a crop. An owl's stomach instead has 2 parts. The interior part, called the proventriculus, this is the part of the stomach that produces enzymes, acids, and mucus. The second part of an owl's stomach is called the ventriculus. This compresses the indigestible parts of prey, the hair, the bones, the teeth, the feathers, etc. It is then regurgitated. That is how the pellet is formed. Barn owls produce 1 to 2 pellets every 24 hours. Much can be learned about an owl's diet and environment by examining its pellets. Now let's begin our owl pellet dissection lab.